Friends, now this is your value education class. Okay, now children, this is a very new subject for you, right? Yes, this is a very new subject for you, value education. Now what is it? Why do we study this value education? Yes, it is very important subject. Value education means what? It helps you to become a good being. To become a good being. You wanted to become a good, right? Or you wanted to become bad? No. You wanted to become a good person. Yes. Right? So you wanted to become a good student, right? You wanted to become a good child of your parent. Right? So this value education subject helps you to become a good being. है ना? आप लोगों को अच्छा बनना है ना, बुरा नहीं बनना है ना. Yes, so value education teaches you how you should behave, how you should think, how you should be. Okay, so this class in value education we are going to study all good things, right? So that you can become a good person and you can become a good citizen of our country, right children? Yes, so this is your value education book. Okay, I hope you have purchased it. If not, it's okay, you can purchase it afterwards. Okay, yes, now look at the first chapter. First chapter. See children, in this book, first of all, we will study about the habits, right? Habits. Habits means whatever you do every day. ठीक है, जिन चीज की आपको आदत होती है, that is habits. They are called as habits. So there are good habits and also there are bad habits, right? Yes. So good habits makes you good person. Bad habits makes you bad. So you wanted to become a good, right? Yes. See, now look at this. Who is this? This is a boy. What he is doing? He is going to school. See how he look. He look very neat, tidy with a clean clothes. है ना, उसके कपड़े देखो कितने क्लीन है. He is going to school, so he look very happy, right? Right. So he is very tidy and clean. Okay. Now look at this boy. Does he look good? Does he look clean, tidy? No. He looks dirty, right? And also he is not happy. See, he is crying, right? He is crying, he is yelling. है ना, वो रो रहा है, चिल्ला रहा है, right? So and he is looking so dirty, है ना? So children, what do you think? People will like whom? People will like whom? Your teachers will like whom? This boy or this boy? Whom do teacher like? Yes, teacher will like this boy. No, teacher will like this boy. Teacher will love this boy, right? Everybody will love, right? है ना, हर कोई इसको प्यार करेगा ना. हाँ, टीचर वी डोंट लाइक दिस बॉय. ही इज डर्टी, ही इज क्राइंग, राइट? यस. नाउ लुक एट दिस. व्हाट दिस गर्ल इज डूइंग? What this girl is doing? She is teasing. She is teasing, right? चिढ़ा रही है ना किसी को. This is very bad. This is a bad habit, right? You should not tease anyone. है ना, अगर आपको कोई चिढ़ाता है तो आपको अच्छा लगता है? नहीं ना. So why you do that? तो आप क्यों करते हो? You should not tease anyone, right? Yes, so it is a bad habit. Now see what this girl is doing. Not having her meal, not eating a food, है ना? खा नहीं रही है खाना. This is a good? No. This is a bad habit. You should not do this. You should eat your meal properly. Right? When mama gives you something to eat, you should eat that. When you eat a good food, you eat your meal on time, you become a strong. Right? So you should not do this. Right? This is a bad habit. You should not skip your meal. Right? You should eat everything. मम्मा जो भी देती है आपको उसको खाना चाहिए. That is a good habit. It makes you good person. Okay. Now look at this. What this girl is crying? Why this girl is crying? Tell me. Because that boy has spilled a color on her, right? Which is not good, है ना? उसने उसके ऊपर कलर गिरा दिया, उसके क्लोथ्स को गंदा कर दिया. अच्छी बात है? नो. आपके साथ कोई ऐसा करेगा तो अच्छा लगेगा? नो. सो यू शुड नॉट डू दिस टू अदर्स, है ना? तो आपको भी किसी के साथ नहीं करना चाहिए ना? राइट चिल्ड्रेन? हाँ, see that girl is crying, right? So you should not do this. This is a bad habit. You should not trouble anyone. किसी को भी ट्रबल नहीं करना चाहिए, परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए. You should not trouble anyone, right? So this is a bad habit, and you wanted to become a good, right? Yes. Now see what this boy is doing. What this boy is doing? Mama is telling something to him, but he is not listening. He is not listening to his mama, which is really very very bad, children. है ना? मम्मा आपको अच्छी बातें बताती है ना? Mama always tells you a good things, right? Which is beneficial for you. जो आपके लिए अच्छा होता है ना? लेकिन आप सुनते हो ना मम्मा की बात? Yes, you are a good person. So you should listen. You are a good child, right? This boy is not listening, which is very, very bad. You should listen to mama, right? Yes, you should not yell at mama, right? You should listen. You should follow whatever mama ask you to do, ना? मम्मा की बात नहीं सुनना या मम्मा को चिल्लाना. This is very bad, right? This is really very bad. You have to become a good child. So you should not do this. मम्मा की बात सुननी चाहिए, है ना? Yes. Now look at this. This is again a very very bad habit, children. What this boy is doing? This boy is troubling a kitten. This boy is troubling a kitten, right? Pulling her tail. This is very bad, children, right? You should not trouble anyone, and also you should not trouble any animal, right? किसी भी तरह के एनिमल्स को आपको ट्रबल नहीं करना चाहिए, परेशान नहीं करना चाहिए. इट इज़ वेरी बैड चिल्ड्रन, राइट? राइट. यू शुड नॉट हार्म देम. उनको भी पेन होता है ना, दर्द होता है ना उनको भी. व्हेन यू पुल देयर टेल, राइट, यू ट्रबल देम. उनको भी फील होता है, राइट? उनको भी दर्द होता है. ऐसे करना चाहिए? नहीं करना चाहिए. यू शुड नॉट डू दिस. वेरी बैड चिल्ड्रन, राइट? So you should not trouble any person or any animal, right? If you get rid of these all bad habits, you will become a good child and everybody would love you. The teacher would love you, the parents would love you, your friends would love you, right? So you should get rid of these habits, right children, and as early as possible, जितनी जल्दी हो सके. You know why? You know why I am telling this to you? जितनी जल्दी हो सके आपको ये सारी हैबिट्स छोड़नी चाहिए. Because let me show you something.
Tofu, don't talk with your mouth full. It's okay, Jaya. It's just you and me. I think the only way to get you eat quietly is to tell you a story. Yes, Jia. Bad habits. Once upon a time, a rich businessman lived with his 8-year-old boy. Just as his wife had said, the businessman loved his son, but hated that he had some bad habits. Worried about his son's behavior, the man went to a wise master.
"Oh, wise master, my son is a very good boy, but he has picked some unhealthy habits which I cannot get him to let go. I worry about him all the time. Please help me. Bring him to me tomorrow morning."
The next morning, the man did as the master had said. He brought his boy to him.
"Come, son, let's go for a walk."
The boy obeyed, and they went for a walk in the garden. As they walked, they came upon a little sapling.
"Son, pull out the sapling for me."
The boy did that easily and presented the master with the sapling.
"Very well. Now you see that small plant? Pull that out for me."
The boy did as asked and easily pulled the plant out. Next, the master asked him to pull out a bush. It took some effort, but the boy did that too.
"Now see that small tree, son? Pull that out for me."
The boy went to the small tree, and though it took him a lot of effort and struggle, he pulled it out for the master.
"Very well done. Finally, look at that big tree over there. Pull that out too for me."
The boy tried and tried, but the tree did not budge. Finally, tired, the boy gave up.
"I am sorry, wise master. I cannot pull that tree out. It is old and strong." Bad habits are just like the plants and trees. When they are new, like the sapling, you can get rid of them quickly and easily. But if you let them stay and grow, they grow strong and become like the old tree that cannot be removed. Forgive me, Master. I now understand what my father has been trying to tell me. I will drop all my bad habits from now on.
Dia,
What if talking with food in my mouth becomes my bad habit too? I will stop it right now. I will never talk with food in my mouth ever again.
That's great. Thank you, Tofu.
Okay, so did you like the story? Right. What was the story, children? Yes, the boy had a bad habits. So the master took him to the garden and asked him to pull out the, first of all he asked him to pull out a small plant. छोटा सा plant बोला. He get out it, right? Then he went to the another bush. It also got out. It took little bit efforts, but it got out. Then he took him to the tree, a big tree. The boy tried to pull it out, but it didn't came out. What is the moral of the story, student? That the moral of the story is that bad habits are like the same like tree. If they grow old, right? If they grow old, they become old. It is very difficult to get rid of them. है ना. बैड हैबिट्स अगर ज़्यादा समय तक हम लोग बैड हैबिट्स हमारे में रहती है तो उससे छुटकारा पाना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है, राइट. सो इट इज़ बेटर टू गेट रीड ऑफ द बैड हैबिट्स एज अर्ली एज पॉसिबल. जितनी जल्दी हो सके हमको उससे छुटकारा लेना चाहिए, है ना. हमको बैड हैबिट्स को छोड़ना चाहिए सो दैट you would become a good child. So I hope you all are going to get rid of your bad habits, right children? Okay, goodbye, take care.